Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode is cool. I'm visible right here in my hand, and basically what this is a 3-tier table stand that is used to put stuff on here. And usually people want to put this like near like maybe a sofa or near like a bed area or something. So let's open up and show you guys what's included inside first before we actually set it up. Alright, so you see that when we first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so we take out the protective layer. You can see that that is basically what it looks like inside. Let me actually take out each part to show you guys what's included inside first. So here is the first part. This will look like this side, and this will look like this side, and there's two of them right here. And then right here they do provide guys the instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then last but not least, we have the poles right here that is going to attach on the product, and that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let me show you guys how to set this up. Alright, so we got everything right here. Let me show you guys how to assemble it. So we'll start with this one right here. It doesn't matter which side you guys want it on. You guys want to go this side or the other side, that's up to you guys. But I'll do this side right here. So what you guys want to do first is get the short one right here and put it on the bottom. And you want to do the same thing for the other one as well. Once you guys finish this part, then you guys actually extend the longer poles. And then do the same thing for other ones as well. 2 more to go. And I believe the material that they use for each one of these poles are like plastic materials, so that's definitely something you can consider as well if you guys are trying to look for a more high quality pole. These are plastic. So now you're done with this part, and what you guys want to do is attach the top part right here, right on top, on each one of these corners right here. Alright, so once you guys finish this part, then what you guys want to do is attach the next one, which is the short ones, right here on top. And then you guys want to attach the wood on top of right here. So you just want to screw these in. Same thing like what you did before on the bottom one. Make sure it goes all the way in. Alright. Do the same thing for the other 3 as well. So now you're done with both of those, and what you guys want to do now is install the last part, which is the top part. Put this right on top. Make sure it fits on all 4 corners or all 4 sides. And then you guys want to get the last part right here and install it. So you want to screw all these small ones on top right here. And these are pretty easy to install, as you see. You literally just use your hand to do it. You don't need any tools, which is pretty awesome. Alright. So basically once you guys fully install it, this is basically what the product looks like. So that's one of them. I'll do the same thing for the other one, install that one, and I'll put it side by side to show you guys what it actually looks like. If you can see, the bottom part has a lot more space, where the middle one has a little bit less. But the top part, you can put whatever you guys want on here. As long as each different section right here does not exceed 10 pounds, then you should be fine. Alright, so basically once we fully set up both of them, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Definitely the wood is pretty high quality, as you view that high quality material. The overall part right here is plastic material, so it probably won't be super durable compared to like metal bars or steel bars or whatever, but it definitely is pretty easy to assemble it and definitely give you guys that very good support as well. Another thing that I kind of wish for the bottom part is the fact that if they have some kind of like non-slip material that's also scratch resistant as well, that would be nice, because when you guys move it on floors, you guys can hear how it kind of like scratches the floor if you guys are not careful. So you definitely don't want to like move this around like that if you guys have heavy stuff on here. But this is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to be on a budget and trying to look for some way to like add like a table that's near your bed or your sofa. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, or if you guys are trying to look for a bigger size one that has a lot more capacity on here and turn up the weight load can carry a little bit more, then this one is probably not ideal for you guys and you should look for something else. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.